Usaping kagandahan, has love got to do with it? Di ba? Has love got to do with it?
I don't know. Kasi nung malungkot ako, maganda pa rin.
Kung yayayain mo ako mag-inom, hindi ka magsisisi. Hindi ako mapili sa pulutan. Mani mo lang, sapat na.
Sana all.
Ba't kung makatingin?
Come on, turn the radio on. This Friday night and I won't be long. Got it in my hair, put the makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the...
Isa sa pinakamagandang regalo na maaaring matanggap ng tao ay isang kaibigan. Kaibigang handa kang damayan sa tamis at pait ng buhay. Kaibigang handa kang ipaglaban. Kaibigang handang umunawa kahit ang buong mundo'y hindi ka kayang intindihin at pakinggan.
What you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side.
Said enough. The day you were born was my proudest moment. But now, you're such a disappointment.
Watch my heart burn.
Talaga ba, Dad? Sa tingin mo ko proud ako sa family natin? We keep on having dinner and lunch as if nothing is wrong. As if buo tayo, as if masaya tayo, as if totoo to. But that's just not the truth kasi fasad lang naman to eh. Kasi di naman talaga tayo masaya, hindi tayo buo, hindi to totoo. Because you gave up on us. Sinukuan mo kaming dalawa ni Mommy. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm a disappointment. But you giving up on us.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge.
Lay a whisper on my pillow. Leave the winter on the ground. I wake up lonely. There's air of silence in the bedroom.